Mr. Wise?
I'm from city Thane city, Bhiwandi,
Bhiwandi, Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Mr. Bantai.
Yeah, yeah. One time.
Bantai, Bantai. Yes, brother. Tell me, what can I do for you?
Yeah, tell me something. Tell me something. Not ask me something, but I want to try to.
Okay, what do you want to try? You tell me. What do you want to try?
And to try and to get fluency in my conversation, because this is my first time I'm calling to someone and I'm trying to conversation with you. This is
Mm-hmm.
my first time, because and another time I call you some other people, and I try to call, not I'm trying to speak in English, but I speak in Urdu, Hindi, Urdu,
Mm-hmm.
but it is first time to in English.
This is the first time you're talking to
In
me in
English
English.
conversation. Yeah.
In English, yes.
In,
What you do? What you do, sir? What you do?
I'm a student, and just I completed my graduation right now in lockdown, and online exam I have completed,
Mm-hmm.
and after that I took admission in MBA. I want to do MBA. This is not my, I not choose this. This is
Mm-hmm.
from my dad.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that's thing I really don't like. Your dad choose for you. Okay. What about you? What do you want to be, and why you are doing MBA?
MBA is good for me, but there is a some function. There's a some department like finance,
Mm-hmm.
marketing, and HR. So
Mm-hmm.
this is very problem, because
Mm-hmm.
when you choose marketing, it's require a conversation and good communication, how to
Mm-hmm.
marketing, how to sell products. It's
Mm-hmm.
need. And
Yeah.
when you choose the finance,
Mm-hmm.
it's connected from banking line, and
Yeah.
you have to good in account.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I'm from science 11 12 I have passed from science, and
Yeah.
I have not got the account, and I have
Mm-hmm.
not studied that account. So
Mm-hmm.
finance is not my favorite, and
Mm-hmm.
account is, I am not interested in finance, because
Mm-hmm.
I want to choose marketing. So my dad say me, okay, what do you want to do in marketing? So I took admission in marketing. So now just it's closed. Colleges are all colleges are closed.
Mm-hmm. So you choose, or you told you earlier you told me my father choose for marketing. So what do you wanted to be like? If your father allow you to choose, what you wanted to choose, like what's your subject
Yeah, yeah,
except marketing?
marketing. I want to choose marketing. So my dad
Mm-hmm.
decided that my dad give me permission. So
Mm-hmm.
do whatever you want to do in marketing, like in like MBA from
Mm-hmm.
marketing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
This is
are you happy with this? Are you happy with this?
I'm happy, but I'm happy, but
Tell me, but I want to know the but. Tell me the but.
happy because this is a post graduation. Like I've completed my graduation. Is it is post graduation,
Mm-hmm.
and because this is
Well, post graduation, it's kind of
it's kind
PG.
of after graduation. Graduation is like BSc, BCom, BMS.
Mm-hmm.
It's for 3 month, 3 year, and
3 years.
after this post graduation like 2 years, MBA,
Mm-hmm.
MCom. This is
Mm-hmm.
post graduation,
Yeah,
master.
master.
Yeah, yeah.
And what happened after that? After completing a post graduation, if you want to study
After
higher, so what's the
you have
degree called?
you have to take like job, and if you want to PhD, like
PhD.
PhD, and after that all studies. But this is master is enough.
Hmm.
The students are saying that for jobs after this
Hmm.
post graduation.
Hmm. So, what's your future plan, Mr. Wise? What's your future plan then after
I'm,
completing your MBA? I hope
I'm
you will. I hope you will complete, inshallah, with good
yeah,
marks.
inshallah, inshallah.
Inshallah. But what's your plan then?
A lot of my plan I have. I have a lot. I want to become a YouTuber first. This is my my dream.
Yeah,
My
great, great.
side.
Yes.
I want to become a YouTuber. Like and first, I want to become a motivational speaker
Yeah.
from my side, not my family side.
Yes, yes. From your side.
And also, I wanted to become a singer, but that will be not right for me. So
Hmm.
I decided to make like motivational speaker. So
Okay.
first,
What's your perspective? How you look at the motivational speaker? You know, look. A viewer, a subscriber, or the normal people have lots of query. You know,
yeah, yeah,
a motivational speaker has to listen each and everyone and give them a right and a peaceful
way,
and exact solution to the query.
yeah,
What do you think about? What do you look like about? What's your opinion all about? How from where did you find this all the stuff or knowledge? From how you acquire the knowledge to give them a best solution? Do you get my
yeah,
point?
yeah. It is necessary to know about what you will give the right path to your audience, to your subscriber.
Hmm.
Yeah, but like a lot of people, there are they quit their education, they quit their not founding their job, and they are upset in their life, and they are not doing anything because they
Hmm.
are wasting their time. And like when I feel that I'm struggling like something, I'm
Hmm.
doing something I want to do, so I'm not wasting my time. And when I'm not finding my way and I'm not struggling, also I'm wasting my time. So there are a lot of people, students are wasting their time and not enough think about way, and they don't have any way what to do, and whatever their family is saying to them to do, so they will do, they complete, and after they quit their something. So I want to do, the passion is very important, because like you are also trying to achieve your passion, like English language. So English language is also, I love English language, and I'm struggling from something 1 2 year from, like this is a 1 month enthusiasm, like we are trying struggling, like we are achieving, we are finding the meaning, we are trying to making sentence like conversation. This is after 1 month we quit this, and
Hmm.
then after one we like think that I have to do this. So English is very important. So I want to become a motivational speaker, so I connected the my English language from this motivational speaker. So I think that I have to become a motivational speaker for English language, like another like one way is like you have to take your passion, what you have passion in, what field. So this is important, so I like. And when I see my friends, they are not doing anything, they are every time enjoying their life, so it is good. But after crossing the age, they have to do something, and when they are not have skill, so what to do that, and what they will do. So you know what I'm saying.
Yes, I totally understand. What you do in
Yeah,
your free time, Mr. Wade? What you do in your free time? How you manage your time in a daily basis nowadays because of the lockdown? We people
yeah,
usually are free. We don't have anything to do in our life. So what you do?
yeah. Bro, this is lockdown, so I manage my time like I wake up early morning, not early morning, 10 o'clock, and do something work of my homework. And after that, I'm doing a part-time job, because this is a lockdown, so I'm free. So I'm doing a part-time job in Amazon, 5 to 9, 5 to 9 p.m.
Yeah.
So this is only for 4 hours. So after that, when I have time from whole day, I'll
Mhm.
do like you are doing, so like English. I'm listening a speech. I listen the speeches in English, and stories in English, and like finding the meanings and how to use that word, how to use that vocabulary in my English conversation. And your videos also. I'm looking your videos. I was looking your videos right now.
Yeah.
Then when you are not accepting the call, also
Mhm.
I'm listening your videos.
Yeah.
And also you are trying to speak, and you give me a lot of words, vocabulary like, and
Mhm.
you declare in words
Yeah.
in your video. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's
Yes.
very nice. Mashallah.
And tell me more about, brother. Tell me more about your life.
Like
What's your dream? What's your dream? Tell me
like
about Mumbai. Tell me about Mumbai. Where are you from
Arif,
exactly?
I'm from exactly Mumbai, Thane city, in Bhiwandi, like
Hmm.
Kalyan, Mumra,
Yeah.
Bhiwandi city. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. This is also a Bantai city.
Yeah. Mumbai is Bantai city.
Uh, so, and bro, I would like to say something. I want to ask one question.
Mhm.
Like you are trying to speak in English, and you have a good conversation, and good fluency in your conversation, and this is also way to this is also way to connect the fluency in our conversation. Like you are every day you are conversation with other people.
Mhm.
This is also way to conversation and get fluency. So how to get fluency in my conversation,
Well,
because this is
brother,
my first.
the secret is the English secret is practice. This is the
Correct.
only secret, brother. That's only a simple secret. Practice. The
Correct.
more you practice, the more you understand. We need to understand. We don't need to, recite the English. We need to understand the English. First of all, understand the
Understand.
English, and then that's it, brother. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all. If I can do, you can do better than me, brother. I really
Yeah.
don't have any education background. I'm not well educated. I'm a little bit educated only. But you have completed your graduation and you're going
Yeah. Yeah.
towards your MBA. You know, so you're coming 2 year you are spending with your MBA, and you have lots of opportunity
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
get fluent in English language. You have lots of opportunity, brother. So grab it, grab it. Don't lose it. Don't waste your time. This is the best time.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the best time for
Oh,
you, brother. Most of the people, they are wasting, our youngsters are wasting their time in snack video, Instagram, Facebook,
yes.
TikTok, and there are lots of
Lot,
things. Ludo,
lot of things.
snack, PUBG. Come on,
They
this is
don't
not the
feel
way.
about the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I'm conveying the message. I'm conveying the message from you. I'm talking
Correct.
other people.
Sure,
I'm giving the message we have from you to our youngster that don't waste your time. Time is valuable.
yeah.
Time is really valuable.
Yeah.
Time is money, brother. Time is money.
Time is money, because
Yes, time is money.
yeah, I know that. And thanks God, thanks to Allah that I feel in this age, because
Yeah.
time is money. Time is
Yes,
very
yes.
important.
Time is very important, brother. Time is very important.
And you are like also doing a very good things.
Well, I'm trying my best to educate or giving guidance to the people
Yeah.
who
Yeah.
really want to learn English language. That's it. That's what I'm doing over here, brother. Well, I'm not a teacher. I don't feel myself as a teacher. I can, but I have, alhamdulillah, little bit ability. Well, I don't think so that that's kind of ability, but I can I can guide the people only. I can guide only.
Yeah.
I can teach. I cannot teach. I can guide them.
Yeah. That's another way, like people getting the knowledge from your video.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
brother.
And you have a unique channel because we don't have like this channel in
Yeah.
on YouTube. This is
Yes.
also
Yes.
one way to get influency, like listening power.
Yeah. Listening power.
It's a conversation.
This is
Yeah,
kind of a unique channel we open. People can,
yeah.
people can share their feelings, their life struggle, in English language.
Uh,